I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters right now using a new website called RenderNet. What's unique about RenderNet is it specializes in creating consistent characters without any prior knowledge, leveraging stable diffusion models. You want to go to rendernet.ai, and once here, you'll want to launch the app and create an account. The main features of RenderNet are FaceLock, which gives you the ability to upload a photo of a person and create a realistic AI character using the same face. ControlNet gives you the ability to take existing photos of poses and patterns so they can be applied to character building. They also offer multi-model generations. You can have the ability to run the same prompt on multiple stable diffusion models at the same time. And their canvas feature is for pros who want to dial in every single setting for ultimate customization. Now let me show you how to create consistent characters in RenderNet. After logging in and creating an account, you have a number of pre-existing models that you can use to create your own consistent characters. They have a fitness model, a fashion influencer, which I'll get to examples of these in a moment. But then you also have the Explore tab, which you can see content that other users are creating. Let's go ahead and create our own consistent character from scratch. So after clicking on Studio, you have a few areas to customize. You can do the quality of the photo, which is 1 credit depending on how you upscale it. 1 credit equals 1 photo. You have the aspect ratio. If you wanted to jump into Canvas and fine tune it, you could click that here. And then you just have a generic prompt that's fully customizable. You have all of the different stable diffusion models that you're able to pick from. For the example, I'm going to go with absolute reality. And then you also have something called LoRa's, which is different aspects of the images that can be changed. So if you wanted to specifically make it noir, you can make it noir. If you wanted to make it glitchy, you could do that. And these LoRa's will add elements. So you want to click on FaceLock and you want to upload your image. In terms of guidelines, it's recommended that you not upload any photos that are taken from far away or any photos that have people wearing glasses. This was an image that I had created in Midjourney, and I'm going to use that as an example. So I had put in a prompt, a blonde influencer walking down the street, daytime lighting, mid-shot. So here was the reference image that I used, and here was what was put out by RenderNet. Very, very good output. Looks really well done. Let's try another one. And for the next prompt, I had written a blonde influencer sitting on a coffee shop, typing on a laptop. And this was the output that RenderNet gave. Again, very consistent compared to the reference photo, and even the hands are very well done as well. Next, let's look at ControlNet. Again, you'd be prompted to upload a reference photo. The recommendation is you can just go to Google, you can type in the pose that you want to mimic, and you can get a stock image and just simply upload it there. So I'll do that for one that I just searched for. I've uploaded this image. You'll notice here on ControlNet is on. If I click back on FaceLock, well, you'll see FaceLock is on. So this will tell RenderNet that we want to recreate this image and this pose using the reference photo that I had initially uploaded. It's also recommended when you're creating your prompt to keep it very close to what the actual pose is that you're trying to mimic. And here we go. So here's the reference image, and then here's the image that was output by RenderNet. Very good job, very closely mimics the character. I'm going to show you another example. So for the next one, it's going to be a blonde woman playing an acoustic guitar. So again, here's the reference image, and here's what RenderNet put out. You can see the consistency across both images. Going back to the home screen, let's say you wanted to simplify your experience even further. As I mentioned at the beginning, RenderNet has a few fine-tuned models that you can use. So if we click on fitness model, for example, it'll just give you some general information here in terms of how to customize it. And it starts by giving you a reference image. It gives you the prompt. It gives you everything you need to get started. You would literally just have to just click generate. But of course, if you wanted to change it, you could also just click the X here. You could just simply upload your own image and then put that on the fitness model that RenderNet has created using the prompt. You could maybe make some minor tweaks if you wanted to. This prompt is fully customizable, and you could streamline the character creation process even further. Here was an example that I did using the fitness model, and this is what it put together. Really excellent job. When it comes to pricing, RenderNet does have a free tier, which offers a limited amount of credits. But what's great about their pricing model is you're not required to commit to ongoing monthly subscriptions like most services out there. You can buy the credits on demand, so you only need to top up if necessary. The base tier starting at $10 for 300, it's really a good starter with plenty of flexibility. But of course, your price may vary than what's shown here, depending on what country you live in. I also created a video on how to create consistent characters using Midjourney. And if you want to learn more, you can click on that video right here.